What if I told you there's a super simple trick to instantly know what key a piece of music is in just by counting sharps or flats? Definitely no more panic in music class. You've probably been overthinking this your whole life. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break major key signatures into bite-sized logic. First, I'll show you how the circle of fifths works without sounding like a wizard spelling out runes. Then I'll share simple memory hacks for sharp keys and flat keys. And finally, I'll tackle that awkward moment when you see a key signature and freeze. Because that moment ends today. Let's make this make sense. Okay, imagine a clock where each hour is a key signature. Moving clockwise gives you the sharp keys. Moving counterclockwise gives you the flat keys. We start at C major, which has 0 sharps or flats. Every click to the right adds 1 sharp. Every click to the left adds 1 flat. Here's the magic trick for sharp keys. Look at the last sharp in the key signature, then go 1 note up from it. That's your key. So if the last sharp is F sharp, you go up to G and the key is G major. If the last sharp is C sharp, pump up to D and you've got D major. Flat keys have their own cheat code. Look at the second to last flat, and that's your key. If you see flats on B flat and E flat, the second to last flat is B flat, so you're in B flat major. The only oddball is when there's a single flat, F major, and you would just remember that 1 flat equals F. Here's why you need this. Staring at a bunch of sharps and flats on sheet music can feel like solving a complicated math problem. You're not alone if you've ever looked at key signatures and thought they were designed to confuse you. It's not you, it's how it's been taught. Too complex, too abstract. Once those 2 rules click, the last sharp trick and the second to last flat trick, you'll feel like you've unlocked cheat codes. You won't be memorizing endless lists. You'll be recognizing patterns. Try picturing yourself looking at 3 sharps and instantly saying, "That's the A major." With no hesitation. That's your aha moment when you realize music theory is about seeing patterns. So here's the deal for sharps. Move 1 note up from the last sharp. For flats, find the second to last flat. And just like that, you've cracked the code to major key signatures. Forget endless memorization. This is how music theory actually works for you. Now, go flex your new skills and maybe impress your music teacher while you're at it. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.